Free like the sky, we rise so high. Love will lift us, never fall. Free like the sky, no more goodbye. In the night we hear the call.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Miss Floricel. For today's vlog ay mag-unbox tayo ng regalo. Remember, hindi to sponsor. Ito ay regalo from Mr. GV. Kasi sabi niya baka raw boring ako, gusto kong manood, or gusto kong makinig ng music. Kaya binigyan niya ako ng 9 Pro earphone. At kapag kausap ko naman siya, syempre gagamitin natin yung 3rd generation na AirPods. So, ayan, unbox na natin. Ito yung 9 Pro earphone. Syempre, wireless ito. At kailangan muna natin i-charge. Ito naman yung charger. And of course, kung gusto nyo gamitin, isa lang. For example, left lang. Pag nalubat na yung left, pwede naman yung right naman. So, ayan, magnet na to. And kapag green lahat, it means full charge. And nandito yung cable charger. Madali lang i-connect ito sa Bluetooth. Pairing nyo lang, hanapin nyo lang yung 9 Pro, and then, yun na. Pwede na kayong makinig ng music. So, and ang second na gift niya ay yung 3rd generation AirPods. So, yan, para pagkausap ko siya. So, ayan. So, bibilhan na lang natin ng cover para hindi magasgasan. So, madali lang din tong i-connect through Bluetooth. May instruction naman na nakalagay. And I think tumatagal ito ng 6 hours. That's it for today. See you next episode. Bye!
Free like the sky, we rise so high.